How to turn off YouTube Autoplay on PC. Turning off YouTube Autoplay on your PC can help you control your viewing experience and prevent videos from automatically playing one after another. Here's a quick guide to disable autoplay on YouTube. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the YouTube website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Find the video you want to watch and click on it to start playing. Once the video begins, look at the right side of the video player, where you will see the Up Next section displaying suggested videos. At the top of this section, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Autoplay. This switch is usually positioned just above the list of suggested videos. Click the Autoplay switch to turn it off. When the switch is gray or positioned to the left, Autoplay is disabled. This means that once the current video finishes, YouTube will stop playing the next video automatically. Instead, you will need to manually select the next video to watch. If you want to make sure autoplay is turned off for future viewing sessions, you can check this setting each time you start a new video. Note that YouTube's autoplay setting is saved on a per-device basis, so you might need to disable it again if you access YouTube from a different device. By following these steps, you can easily turn off YouTube autoplay on your PC, giving you more control over your viewing experience.